In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a referral program in Wix. Setting up a referral program can be a great way to engage your customers and encourage them to spread the word about your business, bringing in potentially new clients or sales without much additional marketing effort. So, let's dive right in and get started with these easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll want to make sure you're on your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, take a look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. We're going to focus on the marketing section today. Go ahead and click on that to open up your marketing tools. Within the marketing menu, the option we're looking for is the referral program. Give that a click. When you're ready, you should see a big Start Now button inviting you to kick off your referral program journey. Clicking this will take us to the next crucial part of setting up our program. Now that we're on the path of creating our referral program, it's time to configure the program details. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is give your program a compelling name. A good name can attract customers and let them know exactly what they can expect. Make sure it's catchy and reflective of the rewards you're offering. Once you've come up with a suitable name, it's important to decide on what action will actually trigger a reward for your customers. Typically, this could be something like when an order is placed or when a session is booked through your website. Next, you'll need to configure how the customer rewards will work. There's quite a bit of flexibility here. The first decision you'll make is the type of reward you want to offer. You could go with a percentage discount, which is great if you want to give a bit of a price cut. Alternatively, a fixed amount might be more appealing if you want to offer a straightforward dollar discount. And for some businesses, offering free shipping could be a more cost-effective incentive if margins are tight. Whatever you decide, you'll need to name this reward to ensure it's easily recognizable for your customers. Something like 10% off coupon can work wonders in attracting attention. Don't forget to specify the scope of the reward, whether it applies to all products, specific items, or perhaps it's contingent on a minimum order subtotal. Once you've made these configurations, the final step is to save and launch your program. It's as simple as clicking save, and your referral program will be live and out there, ready to incentivize your customers and new potential ones. That's it. You've successfully set up a referral program in Wix. Remember, as you run your program, you might want to revisit and tweak some settings to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you build even stronger relationships with your customers.